Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Lexa, you know, I'm Lex of course, and as you guys know, this year I'm a Shea Moisture ambassador, and this video I'm going to be talking to you guys about the Shea Moisture products I got this month, which is a beauty hack recipe book. And basically they're letting me create my own customized skincare product or hair care. I'm gonna do the skincare though because it's summertime. Like today was 100 degrees outside. Summer was like, oh, you were asking about me? Hey girl, hey sis, like she came out, she's here. So it's so important to have a summertime skincare routine because you have so much oil building up, dirt, it's humid. All those things causes acne, they cause eczema, dry skin, you get sunburn, all these things. So it's so important to have some kind of separate routine outside of your regular one because it gets crazy in the summertime. So I'll be showing you guys the exfoliant that I'm gonna be making, and I like what I like about this also. They encourage you to still use a natural ingredient of your choice. So I use aloe actually in my regular day-to-day skincare routine. I started using it about a month ago or two, and I'm starting to see like some significant changes in my skin just to get a more clearer, you know, even skin tone. So I'm excited to see what I come up with. I don't know how it's gonna come out, but hey, that's what it is. And as you guys know, I'm also just trying to figure out this YouTube channel thing. So the latest idea that I've had was to incorporate a positive message with what I'll be showing you guys. So I'm doing exfoliant today. So I think I'm also gonna be talking about exfoliating negative energy and negative people out your life because it's important and no one has time for that. Like, scrub away, like you gotta scrub it out. So I'm excited and stay tuned. So as I'm exfoliating, I realized that life requires exfoliation. You know, like sometimes we have a lot of dead weight, a lot of bad energy around us that we gotta scrub away. You know what I'm saying? Like we gotta really evaluate our circle a lot, evaluate our ways, how we handle situations, and we gotta exfoliate that. Like you have to exfoliate people out of your life and really start off fresh, you know, because the same way we exfoliate the dead skin, we gotta exfoliate the bad energy, not the dead people, but they can be very damaging to us in a way that, you know, it can cause us harm, you know, and we don't grow with them in our life and we don't do certain things. So I'm just here exfoliating everywhere, honey. But yeah, like, and the thing is too, it's like when you don't exfoliate, you know, you have a lot of buildup. You have a lot of dirt on your skin, a lot of oil in your skin, you know, and that's not good. So the same way with your life, like you keep certain people around you and you start falling into, you know, the wrong crowd, or basically you just not doing what you need to do because the people are distracting you. You gotta exfoliate them out. So I am back, scrubbed, refreshed. I got clay all over my shirt too. I got down and dirty for real. You can't say I didn't really make this or whatever. And as I said before, I use clay, grapeseed oil, and a little bit of coconut oil and the rice flour as my scrubbing ingredient. So also real quick about natural oils, people get caught up in like, you know, coconut oil is life, and it's really not. Like, let's keep it a buck. Like there's so much oils out there that they have a bunch of other benefits, and some are just as good as coconut oil, to be honest. Some are even better. So, you know, I think it's about experimenting. Skincare is not a one-size-fits-all thing. You have to figure out what works for you. And like I said before, I apply aloe vera leaf to my face. So basically I take the gel from the leaf and then I apply it to my skin at night, sleep with it overnight, rinse it off during my morning shower. And I've been doing that for about a month or two, and I've been liking the results so far. I don't know, I think for the most part it's been evening out my skin. Also, I've had this burn on my arm. I burned myself on the lamp earlier this year. Clumsy, I don't know, don't ask. But this was way darker than, like way darker. And I've been applying the aloe vera and it's slowly lightening up And I think by the end of the year, we're back in business. So, and then also exfoliate your life. Of course, you know, we are all just trying to figure this thing out. But if you know you have to get somewhere or you want to be somewhere, you got to check your circle, the energy you're throwing out, the energy that's around you. You always just have to keep in mind all these things that might be holding you back in a way that you don't realize it. And sometimes it's yourself. Sometimes you're holding yourself back. Sometimes you're having toxic behaviors or habits or certain things, and you got to ask yourself, like, if I want to get to a new place, how am I getting to that new place if I'm still using my old ways, or I'm still in my old ways, you know? So exfoliate it all. Start off fresh, smooth, clean, and cute. So as you guys know, this is Lex letting you know, so please let me know any comments, questions, feedback. Please let me know and I'll get back to you, trust me. So thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys in my next post. Ciao.